What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error code 0xc004f213. So this happens on Windows 10 or 11, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix this. All you need to do is go to your search bar and type in activation. So until you see this one, activation settings pop up. So in the activation setting that you see over here, yours is going to be the error popping up. And at the bottom over here, there's going to be something that says troubleshoot to make sure Windows is activated. Because the error is happening, or it's essentially not updating, or whatever the situation may be, because it thinks your Windows does not have an active license. Maybe you already had one. Maybe you actually do have one, right? And it's just for some reason glitching or bugging out. So all you need to do is click into that troubleshoot settings that you'll see over here, run the troubleshooter, and then it'll come and it'll show you basically the activation that you had or your original licensing key. You basically say reactivate now, let it run its process, and you guys will be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's it. That's all you guys had to do. If you guys love the video, please press up, go and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Tutorials out. Peace.